Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your LinkedIn profile into a job search brand kit detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing your LinkedIn profile. Identify the key elements that highlight your professional brand. Focus on your headline, summary, experience, and skill sections. Next, consider the goal of your job search. Define the type of roles you are targeting. Adjust your LinkedIn headline to reflect your desired position. Utilize keywords relevant to the industry you want to enter. Craft a compelling summary that showcases your strengths and career aspirations. Include specific examples of your achievements to demonstrate your capabilities. Make sure to list relevant skills that match the roles you're pursuing. Now, think about visual branding. Select a professional profile picture that aligns with your industry. Consider a background photo that represents your personal brand or values. Create a consistent color palette and font style for your job search materials. Prepare a resume that complements your LinkedIn profile. Ensure your resume mirrors your LinkedIn content for consistency. Tailor your resume for each job application by emphasizing relevant experiences. Next, develop a cover letter template that highlights your key attributes. Personalize the cover letter for each position you apply to. Incorporate links to your LinkedIn profile in your applications. Utilize social media to enhance your job search brand. Share relevant content on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Engage with industry-specific groups and discussions online. Network strategically by reaching out to connections in your desired field. Request informational interviews to gather insights and advice. Track your outreach and follow-ups in an organized manner. Prepare a portfolio of your work if applicable to your industry. Include relevant samples, projects, or case studies that showcase your skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.